Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration or tour of a web application called Splashup, which is in my dock right here. I made this like an application using Fluid. Go to splashup.com, that's where you'll find it. And as you can see, it looks kind of similar to Photoshop. It's a good alternative to GIMP. And yeah, I don't know which is better because I never really used GIMP. I've used it like once or twice, but never really in depth. But anyways, I'm going to create a new document. As you can see, you got a file menu. You can move these palettes around. File, new image. You can also capture from webcam. It's one of the options in the file menu. I'm just going to sample. Oops, can't type today. Okay, so the width is gonna be 400 and the height's gonna be 400. Okay, so here's my document. As you can see, it has a transparent background. And in the tools palette, we have a marquee tool, move tool, crop, lasso. Oh, by the way, when you select the marquee tool, as you can see, you can make it circular or elliptical. Marker tool, which I don't understand the difference between a marker and, say, the pencil, but whatever. Line, box, circle, polygon, gradient, pencil, brush, paint bucket, eraser, smudge, text, pan, eyedropper, and then foreground and background colors. And then in the info, there's just an info box. Wherever you are on your canvas, it gives you the exact X and Y coordinates. You can change the color here. It automatically changes the foreground color as you change it. And then in layers palette, you can change the layer style, the opacity, add layers, move a layer up or down, and so on. So I'm gonna, sorry that was Twitter, gonna create a new layer and call it, I don't know, gradient. Actually, I could just do that for the background layer. I'm gonna call this gradient. And gonna select the gradient tool. As you can see, I can change the color of the gradient. So I select this box here, click on the little black color thing, and I can change the color. So make it a light blue. I can add like swatches by just clicking anywhere, and then take them away by dragging them out. And then I'm gonna make this one a darker blue. And I can just drag this gradient out. Okay, so there's my gradient. Now I can select my new layer, and I'm just gonna make a box really quickly just to show you what this application can do. So it automatically fills in the box with my foreground color. And on the layers palette at the side, there's like a little, it looks like a magic wand tool. Just click on that and you get layer effects. You can add a blur, bevel, drop shadow, glow, gradient bevel, or gradient glow. So I'm just gonna add a glow. Click add. I can change the size with a slider, or I could just put it in. And the strength. Can change the color. And I guess I'll add drop shadow and bevel. The annoying thing is that you have to choose it, then click add. It's kind of weird, but I mean, you can't expect much from this. It's just a web app. And you can change all of this. And I mean, it's fun to play around with. As you can see, I'm still in this layer, so when I take the marker tool and I draw something, it uses the same layer effects. It's kind of laggy right now. As you can see, I'm it's pretty laggy, but I just thought this was a cool little web app to show you in case you wanted to try something. There's also filters. You can add noise, sharpen, blur, clouds, as you can see there. You can also, if you watched my tutorial about how to change your icon color, this does have the hue saturation filter, so you can use that tutorial and use this application instead of paying a lot of money for Photoshop just to do that, which would be really stupid. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have a question on something, ask, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Oh, and you may be wondering why this window is not the normal color for the window. It kind of looks like, I guess, Mobile Me-ish. That's something that I did in Fluid. I might do a separate video on that, actually, because I can't really think of many videos to do right now. So, yeah. Bye, people.